Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
I will show how to use a yarn swift and a ball winder together safely and efficiently. Start by identifying the swift type and the ball winder model. Both tools may be clamp mounted to a table or freestanding. Clamp mount saves space and improves stability. Inspect the swift for adjustable arms and the winder for a smooth drive mechanism before loading yarn. Prepare your workspace with a clear path for yarn to move from swift to winder without snags or sharp edges. Place the skein on a flat surface and unlock it gently to remove packaging. Open the swift arms until the circumference matches the skein length exactly. Lock the arms in place so the skein remains evenly tensioned while turning. Clamp the swift to a sturdy table edge and tighten the clamp until there is no wobble. Check that the yarn runs freely from the top of the skein to the front of the swift without crossing or creating tight spots that cause tangles. Mount the ball winder on the same table or an adjacent stable surface near the swift. Attach the clamp securely and align the flyer or guide where the yarn will enter the spindle. Thread the yarn through the winder guide eye and tie a loose starter loop to the spindle or begin winding directly. Turn the handle at a steady, even pace to form a uniform cake. Avoid jerky cranks that cause uneven tension. Stop periodically to check the cake shape and pause when you reach a center pole cake of desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.